sprays and sprays straight through your radio waves. It plays and plays till it stays stuck in your head for days and days. Who would've thought standing in this mirror, bleaching my hair with some peroxide, reaching for a t-shirt to wear, that I would catapult to the forefront of rap like this? How could I predict my words and have an impact like this? I must have struck a chord with somebody up in the office, cause Congress keeps telling me I ain't causing nothing but problems. And now they're saying I'm in trouble with the government. I'm loving it, I shoveled shit on my life, and now I'm jumping in on white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL, look how many hugs I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL, look how many hugs I get. Look at these eyes, baby blue, baby, just like yourself. If they were brown, shady lose, shady sits on the shelf. But shady's cute, shady new, shady's dimples would help make ladies swoon, baby. Baby, look at myself, let's do the math. If I was black, I would've sold half. I ain't have to graduate from Lincoln High School to know that, but I can rap, so fuck school, I'm too cool to go back. Give me the mic, show me where the fucking studio's at. When I was underground, no one gave a fuck I was white. No labels wanted to sign me, almost gave up. I was like, fuck it, until I met Dre, the only one who looked past, gave me a chance, and I lit a fire up under his ass. Helped him get back to the top. Every fan black that I got was probably his in exchange for every white man that he's got. Like damn, we just swapped. Sitting back looking at shit, wow. I'm like, my skin is just starting to work to my benefit now. It's white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL, look how many hugs I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL, look how many hugs I get. See, the problem is I speak to suburban kids who otherwise would've never knew these words exist. Whose moms probably would've never gave two squirts of piss, till I created so much motherfucking turbulence. Straight out the tube, right into your living rooms I came. And kids flipped when they knew I was produced by Dre. That's all it took, and they were instantly hooked right in. And they connected with me too, because I look like them. That's why they put my lyrics up under this microscope, searching with a fine-tooth comb. It's like this rope, waiting to choke, tightening around my throat, watching me while I write this like I don't like this. No, all I hear is lyrics, lyrics, constant controversy, sponsors working round the clock to try to stop my concerts early journey. Hip-hop was never a problem in Harlem, only in Boston. After it bothered the fathers of God, is starting to blossom. And now I'm catching the flag from these activists when they ragging, acting like I'm the first rapper to smack a bitch and say faggot. Shit, just look at me like I'm your closest pal, the poster child, the motherfucking spokesman now for white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL, look how many hugs I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL, look how many hugs I get. So to the parents of America, I am the damager aimed at little Erica to attack our character. The ringleader of this circus of worthless pawns, sent to lead the march right up to the steps of Congress and piss on the lawns of the White House. To burn the mask and replace it with a parental advisory sticker. To spit liquor in the face of this democracy of hypocrisy. Fuck you, Miss Cheney. Fuck you, Tipper Gore. Fuck you with the freest of speech this divided state of embarrassment will allow me to have. Fuck you. I'm just playing, America. You know I love you.